Today I'm going to build some shutters for the bathroom. I've got a 53-inch high by 60-inch wide window, and I'm going to do 4 panels, 2 on each side of the shutters. So I started with 2 4x8 1/4-inch plywood sheets of birch. I broke it down to 53-inch high by 14 and 7/8 inch wide panels, so I allow room for my hinges. Then I cut 16 4-inch by 45-inch sides for each panel, so there'll be 2 on each panel. Then I cut 16 14 and 7/8 inch pieces for the top and bottom of the panel. Again, 2 will go on the front and the back. So we're going to take one of our panels and lay it out flat. We're going to make sure we can fit all our pieces on there. 2 of our long pieces we cut to 4 inches by 45. Lay those out here like this. Now I actually cut them long so that I can trim them and make them fit exactly. So we'll grab a couple of our end pieces here, and you want to make sure there's no rough edges on them, so we're going to take off any burrs. My saw blade was getting a little bit dull, so I didn't get the smoothest cut. This is all going to be painted, so this doesn't have to look exactly perfect. You can cover up any blemishes with paint and with wood putty. Alrighty. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with our wood glue. Start here down on the end. So we'll take our wood glue and run it in an S pattern or a snake serpentine pattern. So we'll line that up. And it's a good idea to have a bunch of clamps. So I got a bunch of different kinds. I have these Irwin quick clamps, and they're easy to use, and they can tighten down really good. So you just want to make sure all your sides and everything are even. We're going to quickly do this other side like we did the other. So you can do whatever pattern you want. Usually enough glue. Some people go down the middle, get even a better gripping surface. And so you can use different kinds of clamps. These are fairly cheap to buy a bunch of, and clamp it down just so that it's clamped down tight. Again, line it up. So we're going to put our long pieces on, and again, glue it like you did the short pieces. Clamp them. And I got a bunch of different clamps here. So make sure it's lined up. It's a good idea to put quite a few clamps along there. Both sides on, get those clamped down, and then flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Voila. Let it sit 20 to 30 minutes, and then 24 hours, the way Gorilla Glue works, wood glue is, you should let it sit for 24 hours to completely set. And there you go. This is the look that we're going for when we're done putting the pieces together for one.
So now after we've let them all dry, now we're going to paint them all white.
A good idea to prime them before you paint them white.